This is our first working week back in the European Parliament after the summer break, and it's certainly been a busy week. There's a lot going on. The committees are meeting for the first time. I've been in the Culture Committee, which is my new committee during this parliamentary term, where we had the Italian ministers presenting their programme for the Italian presidency the next 6 months. And I was very pleased to see the emphasis, particularly on involving young people in culture and also in promoting the media and the film industry, which is something very important to us in Wales. We've also had a 2-day visit from the Plaid Cymru Shadow Cabinet to Brussels. We had meetings with the European Commission on all kinds of issues from transport and agriculture, excuse me, transport and agriculture to youth and employment, and all of the issues decided here in Brussels that affect the economy of Wales. And one of the very clear messages to come out was the need for the Welsh Government to be working directly with the European Commission, which is what they are not doing at the moment. And I know that my colleagues from the Assembly in Wales will be going back and raising those issues in Cardiff and in Wales with the government and with other organisations. But also this week we've had Gemma Kentish here, who's come on a week's work experience to the Parliament. A very busy week for you.
It has been, yeah, very busy.
Can you tell us a bit about yourself and why you wanted to come to Brussels?
Well, I've just finished graduating from Trinity College Dublin in European Studies, which is 2 languages and kind of European politics and history. So I thought that coming to work with you for a week would have been perfectly ideal, really. So I'm really happy that I've been able to come and visit what you do and see a little bit of how the European Parliament works.
And what's your impression? What's the thing that has struck you most?
I suppose just really learning about how the European Parliament works on a day-to-day basis, and just kind of just getting into the nitty-gritty of everything and how it works. That's been really interesting to see. Yeah.
And did your European Studies course really prepare you for what you see in practice here in Brussels?
To some extent, yes, just kind of understanding how the policies work and everything, but on the other hand, not at all, because you don't really learn about what exactly you do. So it's been really interesting to follow you and just shadow what goes on, really. So.
And do you think that it's given you an appetite to come back and work in Brussels and maybe in the Parliament?
A bit of a taste, just to see how it works, and really enjoyed this week, so thank you very much.
Do you see the importance of Wales here too?
Oh, certainly. I mean, getting to meet Leanne Wood, having the privilege to meet Leanne Wood and the Shadow Cabinet has been really a great privilege, and it's been great to be able to go to their meetings and see the relationship that they've been developing between Plaid Cymru and Welsh issues within the European context. So
well, it's been lovely having you here this week, and I certainly hope you come back.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Diolch.